We'll guide you through how to download files from Dropbox using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see your files and folders displayed on the homepage. Navigate to the file or folder you want to download. If it's a single file, simply move your cursor over it and you'll see a little checkbox to the left. Click that checkbox to select the file. If you want to download an entire folder, hover over the folder name and click the checkbox that appears there. Now, look to the right side of the page and you'll see a row of icons. Click on the icon that looks like 3 dots, which is the More Actions button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Download. If it's a single file, it will start downloading immediately to your default download location. If it's a folder or multiple files, Dropbox will automatically compress them into a zip file, and then the download will start. Keep in mind that large files or folders may take a little longer to download depending on your internet speed. If you're working with several files and you want to download them all at once, you can also click and drag to highlight multiple files. Then follow the same process with the More Actions button and select Download. This method is super handy if you're managing a lot of data at once. And that's it. You're all set to download from Dropbox with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.